In conclusion, we've now tested this counter and the glass fitted onto it through 9mm, 357 Magnum, 44mm Parabellum, R4, which is a 5.56 caliber, and a 7.62, as well as a slug. The test seems to be very successful. The glass hasn't been penetrated, nor is the steel being penetrated. One area of concern is the louver, which is only 3mm, which should be then be beefed up until about 5mm, and which we need to look at the design of. Otherwise, we think it's been a very, very successful test to ensure that bank staff are safe. One of the characteristics of this glass is that most of the debris actually comes to the front of the counter and not to the back of the counter, which limits the possibility of injury towards the teller themselves. We don't really have a problem, obviously, the bank robber getting injured, but at least we know that the staff are safe.